We at Real Estate Gals want to continue with the concept of we do more. So to help pass the time and release some of the chaos, we are bringing you information to help with our friend Lisa Holtby, who is an amazing home organizer. Please enjoy these tips on clearing the clutter and organizing your home.
Hi, this is Lisa Holtby. I hope to meet you in person on Saturday, May 2nd for our workshop. But until then, we're going to post a series of quick tutorials to inspire you to jump into action and do some decluttering right now while you've got this extra time at home. And you might ask, lady, we're in the middle of a global pandemic. Why should I clean my closets? And I'll tell you why. It's because the work is so satisfying. You take small actions and you get immediate, positive, tangible results for your efforts, just like you can see me doing with this desk drawer. So stay tuned, and in upcoming tutorials, I'll teach you a series of manageable steps that you can take to make your own home feel more beautiful and comfortable and functional for you and your family.
If you have any questions regarding the shift in the market or need anything, please reach out to us directly. We look forward to hearing from you.